I'm trying to touch the States this time. 2021. Gotta show him I can still rap though.
Now I'm in the game, I was on the bench. First I was renting, now I'm collecting rent.
Van is a MAN TGE.3 brake. It's a 2022. It's 11 months old as we speak. Does central London on a daily basis. The artwork on the bonnet is to do with my grandparents and my father, and the artwork on the back doors, just because the vehicle's a MAN, I thought I would go with the MAN commercial history stuff, because it's something different than films that everyone else does, and I think sometimes it gets a little bit boring, and in my opinion no one else has done it, so that's what I wanted. And with the lions, it was again the MAN logo for the vehicle is a lion, so it was, I think it was a good theme to go with it. We've got a big TikTok on the van. It's called The Raw. That name came from my daughter. She's 2. She could never say van or lion, so it was like, oh, this is The Raw.
You could get hit any day now. On my mama, I'ma move my family way out. With some 20s, 50s, hundreds, thousands, millions, billions, trillions, zillions. I'm talking Amazon money, talking so much money I could mess around and buy Amazon. I been winning, I'm like, why me? I heard these labels wanna buy me. I don't need you, boo, I style me. I roll G's and they grind me. Now I'm on my game, nothing is the same. Who am I to blame? Money made me change. Cardi in my ring when I'm switching lanes. Money in the carry on them Boeing planes. Money in the carry on them Boeing planes. Now I got $1 for all those rainy days. Ain't have a day off in like 80 days. I got hustles in like 80 ways. Kids if he won't take a lazy day. Wifey on me told me take a break. I keep going to the paper street. Then it's trips out to Montego Bay. If I take the job, bet I get it done. I said it before, I'm a 101. I just caught some ones, only wearing ones. Fornicate the funds, money made me calm. Diamonds on your neck, bet they on your neck. You want that watch, you better rock a tech. You want that chain, you better cop a vest.